Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And in the last few weeks, there was a lot of backlash from users when, of course, the head of Windows came out and said that Agentic AI will be implemented within Windows, which means more and more AI. And it created a stir. A lot of people saying, well, we don't need this and so on. So Microsoft has slowly examined how it's going to bring this to the PC. So right now, already in Windows 11, if you go into your settings, go into System, you'll see that there is a tab that's AI components. And right now it doesn't, all it does is show you either the system components or installed apps. It says here there's actually no AI components currently installed. This is going to change soon, as at one point in an update, we'll get something that will actually change that menu and give us a new option, which will be agent settings, and there will be something called experimental agentic features. This will come to the insiders first, and at some point to everyone. And it will be off by default. And if you do turn it on, it's going to tell you, well, do you really want to turn on the AI experimental features and so on? And this is not still automatic. A lot of people said, well, so that means it's going to go into my files, do what it wants. It's not. It will ask for permission. A window will ask you every time that you want to use a feature that could be an AI feature. It's going to ask you. Copilot wants to access your files to complete your task. Do you want to allow access to the top 6 folders that your PC will have? So they've added layers that you have the options to say, not now, to know that there's an interaction that's going to happen. I think this is Microsoft kind of trying to show that, well, yeah, it's not going to be automatic. We're going to ask you permission every time we want to use an AI feature that might impact your files on your PC. So I think this is a good idea, because if you have to bring AI, you have to bring it in a way that people won't feel like, it's just doing things and you've got no control. Here you will have some control over it when it starts to arrive to your PC. And of course, you can leave it off, and which means it won't actually do anything. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.